Oh no, look who. Who did I call me so early this morning? Oh no, friend Gracey. Telling us that she always call me the wrong time.
What now?
Where you call me for Gracey? You always...
Move. Where? Who may I call you for? You think me have to call you? Because you know me a girl when no call you. So where?
Me tell us...
You should have glad. Where?
Me tell her say you always call me the wrong time.
Yeah, every time I wrong time for you. You're too nasty.
Boy.
Every time I wrong time. Every time you call you a wrong time. How do you so? Me tell you already, you know. I mean, they never care about either Upper St. Barnabas or East down a university hospital. Watch.
No, Clara Mass.
Remember anywhere or one of them. Clara Mass nearer to it, yes.
Clara Mass is nearer to us.
Yeah. Me see that, but wait, you're going to get fucked where they don't get. Wait.
What?
You're too much.
Why?
You're too much. So who you let your Costco card I know member? I know me, you know.
I know you.
A restaurant depot card me have for you. Me know,
yeah, there. You have all my restaurant.
Me know say me had that for you. No, that's why me I tell you say me have it for you.
Me not even remember somebody lend you the restaurant depot card.
Me remember. All right?
You there?
It's the right round that's up on my wine cabinet.
Why? You there warm?
Yeah, today Wednesday, girl. I'm go to the Burma and come back already.
What, yeah? Why?
So where you there? You there? You there?
Me a wash.
They know you say whatever you do. You say
no, me just go put. No, true. Me sort out my clothes them from last night on the floor. I left them. Say me I get up early this morning, come wash. But when you call me, yeah. So me carry up the first load just a while ago, go put in the machine. Just a while ago. Just not too long, get up and say me I carried it. Me have my pyjama same way. So me I carry the first load.
I walk off of the job and me alone them off on the floor. I do too small the job. And I talk to the boss about it. I say I'm a caller. I say how long this gonna continue? Oh, she's gonna talk to my DON. I said no, it's not my DON doing the job. I'm doing the job, and I'm telling you, it's hard. It started to take a toll on my back. I look for me, I'm a walk away from me, say, all right, I bet you fix you. All right. So I didn't have that in my intentions, and I'm not going to work Monday and Tuesday, and Wednesday is my day off.
So you're the one from Monday nasty nigga and you don't say nothing?
Yes, nigga, I'm the home.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not by down there, my yard, me glad me no live next door if you see me car and come start me.
You're there.
You're rich, yo.
Oh my goodness.
Because me can't up there so you know, and you know see me car and come me car and parking in your yard. And you must see me car and know much there me there my yard. You're rich. Me not tell you how much there me there my yard, you can't know serve your rights.
But you don't know, so we can't just drive past the yard and see.
You don't have time to waste. We just don't drive past in the yard, okay, so we see if me there my yard.
You're there.
You don't have time to waste. You think they're just going to drive come your yard so to see if you carry the if you know if you're there your yard. You know this guy left on the phone? Your pocket sure you.
You're there. You're there your yard from Monday and today what? Wednesday. I mean no know. You is a real old croft. You is a real old croft. Not even like a curry goat for cook.
Me I go Canada next week Friday, no?
Me know say you go away, but you're there warm and you go. How much days you say you going for?
That's not your business. What is something where you say you give me?
With something.
What year that neighbor yesterday was the girl birthday?
Oh.
No, the second was her birthday.
Oh shucks.
Oh shucks.
Never remember now. Next week you say, right?
We'll go with her Friday 4 in the morning.
I'm gonna try.
I'm gonna be off on Wednesday.
Yeah, I go out the mall go get something.
Yeah. Not that heavy because I only carry a check bag and a personal bag.
Not carry nothing heavy.
I carry a big pocketbook really when I can put the cool stuff in now.
So just a carry on?
Yes, and a personal item.
Okay. Nah, load you up, man. Wow.
I'm going to buy things to my niece, so she beg me buy and to carry over here too.
You is a real nasty nigga. I can't believe say the one from Monday.
I saw it go.
And me could have come over there.
When you can't hide, I saw it go.
The one yesterday. You know gonna way?
I think I called you yesterday.
No, you did not. As from Sunday you call me and say, as from Sunday you call me and me tell you say me that go to church.
Yes, God Christmas, my little cute.
You know call me back, you old fart, yo.
Every day you call me old fart. You ever see fart if it young or if it old?
You.
You see fart if it young or if it old?
You.
Hey, me know me old, but me old fart, look damn good.
Yes.
If me old fart.
I can't believe say they were Monday and Tuesday and you don't call.
And you know, that's why sometimes people don't tell you nothing, because when people tell you something, now I use it against them.
Yes.
Me they home from that time, so what?
Me hurt. Look like you did the woman full your belly. I do the do.
No, sir, me.
Lies.
You don't know me.
Lies.
You know, and that are the trouble, me, it's not you. You have to do if you don't do half of your life gone, I know me that.
That is it.
Yeah, and you have headache and backache.
Exactly.
That's not me. We are two different individuals.
Me have to
remember that.
Me have to do my love. If me not do it, me don't know what will happen to me.
When you do it, it make you get rich and put money in your pocket.
No, it just make me enjoy myself.
You not gonna go and enjoy yourself?
Yes. That is my big part of my life, my love. Can't help it. Where you over there, though? Gracey, where you over there, though?
Watch TV. I'm go to my appointment already again.
So where you cook?
So, what's your problem? I'm not cooking.
You never cook yet.
Look for you where the woman do before you go find time for cook.
Me I cook. Me I go cook.
Okay.
Me I wash plate. Me I wash clothes, me mean.
The reverse switch. Watch the movie, yeah.
Me hurt.
So you remember who you lend your Costco card?
No.
And I try remember and stop jump up in my space.
Me never see you, you know. Me never see you, me lend me can't, you know. Me never call no name, you know.
And your people, them love jump on the name too, you see.
Me throw me corner, me never call no fall. You pick it up.
You hear me, I tell you?
Me throw me corner, me never call no fall. Me never even...
Clear to you which one me have ya. Oh. One restaurant deep okay, there me no have nothing for Costco. But try more that piano me.
I don't know where me Costco card there. I don't know who me lend me no.
Business. When you adapt me no like with
you know, say me did lend one Guyanese girl in.
Now me got your pack box.
Me pack 2 boxes and a barrel.
If me no love social media, me love it to your business where you talk about me and look for your pack big bag. Look for your pack big bag.
La. Yeah.
And you tell me you not pack no box, car box rare. You see you love box? You see how much something
Me love box because box all where all my money is worth.
Then that me tell you that go like say you never love it.
No, look how long them here pack box.
Dana.
Me say me never da go pack no more. Me never da go pack no more because them charged me the $48,000. That's why me did so upset.
Send it, Dana. Send it to where you tell me.
Right. From that's why I did so angry.
A little more because of the box, but not the pickup.
$48,000. Then charge me for carry one box.
That's ridiculous.
That's why I was so upset, and that was over 2 years. So I did mad. But now that me not send it down a walk no more.
Only if I cook nutriment you put in it. Look on good things.
Yeah, me no send,
Don't sugar on these things. Look on good things.
of course. Me no send no canned soup. When me no
People don't want them.
me no send them something. Me send things where me buy for myself, yeah, where me eat. Me not name canned soup, me not name canned noodle, me not name certain things. You understand? Condensed milk, mixed vegetable, them something them we buy. Spam. Yeah, baked beans, spam, sardine, them something there. Them things there. The spam.
No. Lisa love the spam, but the kids, the grandkids, them
Wow.
them love them pancake.
Oh, the pancake, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, buy pancake at
Yeah.
Costco.
With the syrup. So who you send this here to Dana?
And that alone I will eat more. Me know some me picking them there, but me still have family down there.
That's nice. And some of them so damn ungrateful.
Can I tell you? But I mean not say nothing to go get an ungrateful body now.
Yeah.
Send for my daddy.
Thanks though. That's
My daddy,
really nice.
my daddy and my stepdaddy. My mother gone, but that the step.
That's them come some more.
You see my stepfather. My stepfather. My stepfather made sister children them.
Yeah.
My stepfather, that the man they make me first one on TV. A battery TV when me they up in the bush there.
And that me tell people, you know.
That the man they make me own a TV the first time me could have able to watch Young and the Reckless Pan that they look a battery TV there and they look a radio up on the side, and when the battery them are dead because a 10 Duracell battery him carry come in there and then him carry another seal pack come give me when him travel Canada.
Me no cut you. Look, me glad I don't have my grand picking them at go school. Look how the BB coat boy nearly almost kill people and picking it over shoes, and the clocks not really not Dana.
How I say?
Because every clocks where them buy down there knock off. That's why when care class or send clocks to give my son, people always admire and ask him when.
No, they have good clocks down there, man. Why Max used to pay a whole heap of money for clocks down at Jamaica?
That's back then.
Oh no.
Right now, there is no original down there, and them selling them for the same money.
Really?
I'm not joking. Yes.
No, but when they send them from England to sell them, man, you have people who ship down.
Different. That may I tell you. But most of the things them down there, Dana, is knockoff.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell me, say, you as a parent, the mother carry me still, me not really bash the mom.
That's good. Me never see it, you know, me not see it.
And the Prime Minister, all the guys, them, the young men, them, will carry him go to the...
Oh, you know, me see one picture today, this morning, said them a hero, but because me never have my glasses, me never, something another. Me never read the story.
Prison only miss me, Dana, because me send my people to school to learn. Me no, when no other parents send for them.
Oh, God.
We're one just one thing I want to beat them up the time step and one nasty dirty shoes. You are going to do my cooking store. And it's so God said prison son my best friend. Oh, me now remember say me class support it no more me can't send another liquor place.
Boy, it's hard, you know, though, you know. It's really hard, you know, when you send your picnic go to school. It's like you don't know. Oh my God, boy, things on time change. When you send I mean, and you know, so these things that happen long time because of social media why it out, because I remember getting beaten up whole heap of time and I never trouble nobody.
Dana, when you got Costco?
I got Costco yesterday. Oh, me for call you when me think you that work rough.
When me there work, I disturb me, I'm a walk. But when me there, you not call.
But me know say you there.
Me
got Costco.
You know, I'm a work there, and you still call me. I'm a work there, so you should have still call me. Me tell you, say me there home.
You there? You there?
So then come to box already, come in one period of the morning, then come back at them at 2.
You're too much.
A period of the morning, then
yes.
Come like
1 o'clock a morning, then come.
Like the bad people alone want 1 o'clock a morning there.
1 o'clock.
Oh my God, have mercy on my soul.
I've sent food for my stepfather, my daddy.
Which is right.
I'm picking it. I feel my papa. He never have money yet. Can't complain now. You have food for last him for a long time.
Yeah. And it not take long for them get it. I think I want to send something, but I can't pack it here.
Yeah,
I
when you
have to pack it in your yard.
You can't pack it up there?
Your mother will talk come down the step. You crazy me now much of people blame step.
Oh.
When I board step now. I could have never pack barrier.
No, me not pack it inside of my house no more. Me stop do that.
Right.
No.
So you know,
Me pack it from outside. Me pack it outside. Put it on top of chapalin and cover it up with the chapalin just in case rain fall. But me always pack it like them a come 2 a.m. Them a come 2 a.m. in the morning, 1, 2 a.m. So me pack it like tonight if them a come a morning. Me pack it this evening outside.
Yeah.
Me put everything outside on top of chapalin when me done. Buy everything and bag them up of them. But you see how in my living room did look? In my right at my kitchen there, so in my living room, down in the basement, all in my bedroom. Jesus, peace with bag. That are the thing. Me can't. Yeah. Me did no, me did send one for back to school for my sister, the kids them.
Oh.
Yeah. Send one for back to school for my sister kids them. But yeah.
Let me answer the call then.
Yeah, later me I go wash. Yeah. Yeah. That is it. When you hear Gracey call me I do me in the morning now. Uno ear on a friend Gracey. Chaga Canada, me the one going on, but I have too much to go on right now. It's a lot. I have a lot to go on right now. So I can't go. Can't go. When I even took off my night yet. She come back and she ain't about Papi show. Honestly, me earband, Dimes headband, Dimes what you call them something again? Forgot shucks. Yeah. I like them. If me have on wig, it big enough to hold it, and if me not have on none, it's still okay. I made another. Things are getting better. Anyway, guys, catch you all later.